my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a Taylor Swift inspired makeup tutorial, and this one is going to be inspired by her new music video for the song Delicate. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so starting out with eyeshadow, I'm going to use that shade right there from my Ulta palette, and this is in the shade Starburst, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease as my transition color. So now we are going to take some shades from the Profusion Smoky Eyes eyeshadow palette, and Profusion sent me this eyeshadow palette along with a couple of other little palettes and a little package just to review for you guys and to use in some of my videos. So thank you so much to Profusion for sending me these palettes. I have been loving all of them, and the brush that I'm going to be using throughout this tutorial is this little double-ended brush that came with this little eyeshadow palette. So the first shade that we are going to take in here is the shade Slay, and it's just that one right there, and we are going to put this into the crease to slowly start building up the crease color. Take the shade Top Notch, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease as well. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Celestial, and I'm going to apply that to my lid as the overall lid color. And to apply that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Galaxy from this Ulta eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease as my overall crease color and to deepen things up just a bit in the crease. Blend everything out using my unicorn eyeshadow blending brush. To add some mascara to the bottom and lower half of my eyelashes. The first mascara that I'm going to go in with is just the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. This does an amazing job at really lengthening and separating the lashes. But then I also really like to layer this over the top of it. This is from Beauty Concepts, and this is just a little knockoff brand that you can get at TJ Maxx. And this is just the volumizing mascara, and I really love this mascara a lot. It does an amazing job at really volumizing your lashes, but it doesn't really add any length or any volume, so that's why I like to pair it with the Lash Paradise mascara. But this is just what the wand looks like, so yeah, I am going to go do that now. powder from the Sephora little like holiday kit. I forget what this palette thing is called, but I am just going to use the contour shade from this palette. So yeah. This off, and I don't know why in the world like it just stopped filming when I was trying to do this, but it did. But I blended out the rest of my contour using this big old fluffy powder brush from e.l.f. This little fish brush I've talked about before on my channel. I think I featured this in one of my favorites videos. But I do use this to apply my contour, and then sometimes I'll go back in and blend it out with this big fluffy powder brush from e.l.f. So that is just what I did. So now we are going to be moving on to blush, and for blush, I'm just going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. There is literally like hardly anything left in this little container, but just a tiny little bit like right there. But I'm just going to use what is left of this blush because it is a really pretty mauve blush color, and it literally goes with like any makeup look. So now I'm going to use that highlighter right there from the same Sephora palette. So yeah, this is just a really poppin' highlight, and I love the highlighter in here. So that is just what we are going to use. Not least is lips, and for lips I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in the shade Ravishing Rose. This video. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you really all did enjoy this makeup tutorial because it was super fun to recreate and do for you guys. So thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.